Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a comfy armchair with reading lamp that is scaled for minifigures for today's Lego brick tutorial. For our floor reading lamp, take a 2x2 parabola dish. We're going to place a 1x1 nose cone right on top of the parabola dish and a 6-stud long stick. Place it to where the flange is right on top of the nose cone. For our lampshade, we're going to take a bottom portion of a balloon. I want to face these off with some transparent studs. So what I'm going to do is place two transparent light greens opposite from one another and a set of transparent orange. We'll just pretend like it's Tiffany glass and we'll just stick the stick right here, right in the middle to where it's right up on the top here. Nice decorative lamp. For the armchair, start with a 2x2 by 2/3 plate with 2 studs. I'm going to flip this around and set down a 1x2 ingot tile. This is going to be the cushion, and these studs are going to be used to anchor a minifigure down to the seat. Then I'm going to take a pair of 1x2 by 2x2 upwards angular plates. We're going to place these on the bottom. These are going to be the sides of our armchair. And on the bottom studs, a set of 1x2 ingot flat tiles, and on the top studs a couple of 1x1 by 2/3 plate with bow. We're going to place some on this side as well. These are going to give the arms of our armchair a nice soft comfy feel. We're going to slide this off to the side. We're going to take one of these 2x2 by 2/3 plate with bow. I'm going to take a couple of inverted 1x2 by 2/3 plate with bow. We're going to place these in this void. And then to fill in these studs right here, a 1x2 ingot flat tile. And on the back side of our assembly here, we're going to set the back of our armchair that likes to escape from us. Place that right here.